The visual art industry is broader than ever before. Artists are able to display what they create in the virtual world, use different instruments for developing digital art, and digitize and monetize their creations in novel ways as a result of rapidly advancing technologies. Welcome to the Financial Market Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, crypto, and the stock market. Well, today on this channel, we'll learn about 3D NFTs. There are no exclusions in this context for 3D NFTs art. They are not just for purchasing and selling, but may additionally symbolize the user's identity, property rights, and a variety of other interesting things. Using blockchain technology, authors can be certain that the content they receive from Watch NFT is genuine. In contrast, familiar cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are identical and interchangeable. So what exactly are 3D NFTs? As a part of the federal space, users may already be acquainted with 2D NFTs as art. 3D NFTs have identical utility, features, and benefits as 2D digital assets, and in addition to distinguishing features and improvements, a third dimension adds artistic value and provides designers with an innovative medium with which to create. In addition, because they are often more compelling and adaptable in terms of concepts, 3D NFT series are frequently more engaging and alluring. If they have researched the NFT marketplace or blockchain technology in general, they will be aware that NFT can be anything from pictures to video clips to audio and 3D models. Currently available artworks include images and video sequences of animated 3D models. The majority of listings on NFT marketplaces are 2D. 3D NFT is highly comparable to 2D NFT. So in other words, it's a unique digital token that utilizes blockchain technology to make it limited. Additionally, 3D NFTs are generated in different dimensions and frequently demand more storage space than conventional NFTs. The rise of 3D NFTs by incorporating games, the virtual universe, tokenizing digitally generated objects, and beyond. 3D NFTs have become a significant advancement as the next level from 2D NFTs. Everything in the 3D world, including game characters or avatars, is readily convertible to the 3D NFTs. This token fueled the expansion of the Metaverse, a collection of 3D digital realms powered by cutting-edge innovations such as VR and AR. The Metaverse enables virtual interaction between users, so NFTs play a crucial role because they symbolize ownership of digital assets, indicating that an in-game asset, virtual property, avatar, or other items belong to a particular user. The Metaverse and 3D NFTs are rapidly expanding. And in addition to games and amusements, the Metaverse has applications in marketing, advertising, live performances, and so on. According to an analysis by the research firm Bloomberg Intelligence, the market for the Metaverse may reach $783.3 billion in 2024, up from $478.7 billion in 2020, representing a CAGR of 13.1%. Due to the swift advancement of technology, there is an enormous demand for 3D models at present. In past few months, many prominent companies including Meta, Nike, Disney, Gucci, and others have advertised openings for digital assets, 3D artists, and those with expertise in the Metaverse. Role of 3D NFT. 3D NFT industries are becoming increasingly popular. Not only do numerous Metaverse platforms now require 3D models, but 3D NFT art is also required in illustrations, promotions, gaming, and probably every other industry. NFT is a component of the future. It's a matter for endless arguments. While one group believes there is nothing special about NFTs and that the hype will ultimately subside, others highlight the sector's advantages, such as allowing individuals to come up with crypto art and collect digital works, removing historical restrictions, and safeguarding ownership rights. Nonetheless, technological advancements and expanding use cases indicate that NFTs are here to stay. Many believe that crypto art will usher in an era in which art will appear significantly different and more accessible, and in which interaction between artists and those who admire them will grow more transparent and efficient. So 3D NFT art is going to be in high demand. You can find several other videos about NFTs on this channel. If you want us to bring another video like this to you, Kindly drop the topic in the comment section. With this, we've come to the end of the video for today. Remember that this video is not for financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Kindly subscribe, share, and like after watching. Thank you.